Hello and welcome to my review of Member Bio. Member Bio is a Kajabi killer. It gives you freedom to build your own membership site with complete freedom and control to monetize your knowledge. Automate analytics, automate, connect and automate everything about your business in one place. Your content, your marketing, your transactions, your emails, and your products. Analytics, view reports to see how customers are engaging with your business. Get paid. Simple, seamless integration with PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and many more platforms. Security. We protect your content like no one else, including some done for you courses. Easy. It doesn't require any technical skills to operate it. Just download or install. Get member bio. Enter the world of digital success and unlimited profit with 3 steps. With member bio, first step to import or add a course of your own, set pricing of your course and make money through selling the course in the e-learning market. Many people are now building real businesses on membership platform known as member bio. Then the e-learning market is expected to nearly quadruple in the next few years. In 2019, it was $101 billion. In 2026, it would be $370 billion business. The growth is about 900%. 90% of our organization now use some form of e-learning in their training. 62% of organizations affected by changes due to lockdowns stated that they will spend more on training in 2021. Member Bio access you to give you a chief membership to start your chief membership site for your learner. Selling course online the old way don't work anymore. This is how most important people choose to sell their course, which as you will see soon in insufficient and expensive. Option 1, do it yourself, or option 2, pay monthly subscription for KJV or Teachable. Clearly, what seems like good options actually are not. The gurus are not making six figures. The most people have found out when done wrong, selling courses can be huge waste of time on money. But any smart entrepreneur like you can see the opportunity to make insane profit with membership sites and would find a way make it happen. So here, offering the member bio, it helped its customers to make $8.3 million. It is easier than anything you ever seen and needs no effort from your end. It is so fast and rock solid. There is nothing loophole, no risk involved. It is a very safe and secure site. With it, you can make your course to sell your learner. Presenting Member Bio, world's number one membership platform with built-in payment integration and automated account management system. With Member Bio, you can sell courses in any niche and keep 100% of the profit. Systematize lifestyle, 8x Hero Academy, done for you sites, invisible funnel, list building bootcamp, TikTok partnership program. We will help you profit faster with other people's knowledge by including 5 done for you courses. They are also providing you done for you courses to give you boost your business to boost uh, to make money faster. Here are the three simple steps to sell courses of thousands of customers for never ending profits. Step 1. Add a course. Simply get access to the member bio and add a course of your choice and get started. Customize and set pricing. You can customize your monthly payment or lifetime payment for your course. Then step 3, publish and sell to earn unimaginable profits. Then you just have to publish and sell to unimaginable profits of your learners. Member Buyer uses futuristic and automated technology to help you make passive income right away. It is a full automated software. Everything is automated right from the second that is user gets access to your courses. It is a full automated course software that user will be with their login person. They will uh, log in and enjoy the stuff. Custom membership design. Pick a design your membership site from an extensive set of themes. You can add custom membership designs to your courses from their very large number of collection of themes. Fully customizable sites. You can customize your site as you want with no effort. Smooth welcome and onboarding. Your user will quickly and easily adapt your system to improve their career path, wellness, or relationships. Their onboarding guide includes easy to follow videos that will empower customers to most of the member platform. It is a very smooth welcome and onboarding and process software that your user will love it. In-depth analysis and tracking. It has a software inbuilt software to analyze your customer behavior, who is buying or who is doing something, who is reaching your customer, how many persons are reaching, how many persons are buying. It has a tracker to track everything. Reuse or purpose lessons. You can create reuse purpose lessons with it. Blacklisting rights. For every user that threatens the sanctity of your courses, you can simply blacklist them. If uh, if any person is spamming you or giving threat for your courses, you can just blacklist them with the membership bio. Coupon creation and usage. MemberWay allows you to create coupons from within your dashboard for your products. It lets users apply them easily during the checkout. Member member insights. We provide you concentrated statistics of your create and better user experience. You can understand and access the number of quizzes taken, lessons completed, total money spent, or login details for each members. You can analyze of every member's activities with MemberView. Member progress information. You can check the how which lessons he is in or she is in, how what is the progress of that member. You can track everything. Admin member management. You can manage everything from your software. Domain mapping. Link your domain with tremendous ease. You can link your websites to MemberVio also. Member list export and import. It has a feature to import or export your list of customers to it. Keep them engaged with quizzes and worksheets. Uh, it allows to give your audience quizzes and worksheet for the better engagement of your audience. Enable content drip feed. Enable lessons expiration. You can you can enable lesson expiration date for your customers. lessons sequences. You can also have the features to sequence your lessons. Comments enabling. People can comment to your lessons, how they feel about the lessons. They can comment to it. Advanced content security. It has the advanced security features for your content, which helps you to get be spammed or hacked by bad guys. Collect money with seamless integration with major payments platform. It has the ability to get payment from PayPal, Stripe, Paddle, Digital 24 Warrior Plus, everything. Plus secret opportunity only for today. Bonus. Commercial license included, worth of $97 free right now. But we are not done yet. They have done not yet. Check out some exclusive bonus we will unlock today. With from Nell Napier, making six figure with member Vaio. Valued up 497, they are giving it free. Social Sauce. Social Sauce is software they are giving in bonus, which use to create social media images for easier with easier software with amazing they are done for use templates. Logo source, they you can create any kind of logo with their software called as logo source. Member bio has no real competition at also when it comes to publishing and selling and courses managing member bio. It is the comparison between member bio, Podia, Kezavi and Teachable. See below. Done for you courses. The member bio is using 5. They are not all are not giving themes. It allowing 10 themes. Some rest are not giving you, and many more features you can compare with other sites with the member bio. So get started with member bio for your business and get your e-learners for more and more profits. Check out the description for more details and bonuses. Thank you.